Friday, everybody. Bitcoin Chris checking in once again, and I'm at a cafe, and we're gonna jump into the Bitcoin price. Of course, we're gonna jump into some tweets, and I think we're gonna hit 48, 46, 45 to 50K this weekend. So we're gonna see how that goes. And with that being said, make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button on X, and let's jump into the Bitcoin price. Head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get your $10 free Bitcoin, and not only that, make sure you head over to bitcoin-fiatdad.com, pre-order my new book, or scan this QR code right there. So happy Friday, happy Super Smash Buy Friday, and we're gonna jump right into the Bitcoin charts. All right, I'm actually in this coin trade, like I mentioned, so this is why that is up. So if you are in a coin trade, oh no, this is Bitcoin on Coinbase. Let's go to coin first. All right, coin breaking out. Have my alert still set, so I'm still in my trade. We're looking at market cipher. We have the red money flow about to turn green. This is the hourly. Let's jump to the 4-hour. Green dot hit down here at the bottom. As you guys can see, and then we're breaking out of this descending falling wedge. That's what it would be called. All right, so let's jump to the Bitcoin price. Shout out to Coin. Can't wait to make some profits on that. I actually posted the monthly chart, but we'll jump into that in the tweets in just a moment. So right now we're looking at a bull flag on Bitcoin, of course. We are looking at the 4-hour chart. We did get a green dot on the 4-hour, which I did post about as well. So we are looking like we're going to pump. We're going to pump. We're going to pump. So it's looking pretty good on the 4-hour. Let's jump to the 1-hour. One-hour money flow looking good. Looks like it's about to turn green. However, we have momentum very high right now. We have RSI, stochastic RSI. Looks like they're pointing down as well. Up to the 2-hour. Green dot. RSI, stochastic RSI headed up. And it looks like we are pumping out of that. We did look at the 1-hour, 30 minutes. Alright, so it looks like it wouldn't surprise me if we came back down and retested before headed higher. If we don't, all good. Next target again is still 45,000 US dollars for one itty bitty Bitcoin. Look at the daily real quick. Alright, we had 2 red days, two red candles. And now we're at a green daily candle and red dot here. However, based on the 4-hour, let's look at the 6-hour. 6-hour, we have a green dot. 4-hour, we got a green dot. 8-hour, no green dot yet, but starting to come up. RSIs are heading up, so everything looks pretty good. And because the daily is looking like how it looks as well, everything looks good, guys. So Bitcoin looking good. Bitcoin looking good. If you are looking to trade, use BingX. Well, I don't know if BingX is going to be available for US users anymore. So if you guys are interested in BingX, that link will be down in the description. Make sure you head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris, get $10 free Bitcoin. And let's jump into some tweets. And we'll see how many. Let's actually jump right here. See how many more Bitcoin this whale has accumulated today. All right, he only bought 200 Bitcoin yesterday, and today he didn't buy any. Technically, he didn't buy any today. All right, cool. So let's jump into some tweets. All right, cool. So let me jump into these tweets real quick. First things first. What's going on, everybody? Everybody tune in. If you're watching on X, make sure you hit that like button for me, please. All right, so first things first. Investments in crypto asset securities can be exceptionally risky and often volatile. So what we're seeing here is that, investor.org is posting this investor alert, which means they're getting ready to launch that ETF, guys. We all know ETF is coming, so make sure that you are stacking accordingly, guys. So that's the first tweet. Second tweet that I wanted to go over with you guys is miner Phoenix signs a $380 million deal to buy hydro cooling Bitcoin mining equipment. So Dubai is about to get into the mining, or the Dubai miner Phoenix signs a $380 million deal. So I don't know if it's. Let me look up who miner Phoenix is. So I don't know if that is the state or a separate entity doing that. Phoenix Group has debuted trading on the Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Stock opening up at 0.6 cents, 60 cents. So it's just a mining firm, and so they're one of the Middle East's first publicly listed industry firms. Okay, so cool. So they just got a $380 million deal to buy some Bitcoin mining equipment. This would probably be a good investment if you're able to invest in that. I don't know if we can here in the U.S., but here we go. Game theory. Cool. So let's jump into the next tweet. All right, so here goes the monthly tweets I was telling you guys about, the monthly charts. So Riot blockchain is going to possibly hit that $35 level, which is about 100%, a little bit over 100%. If you guys want to do leaps on Riot, looks like a good play. Let's jump to Mara. Same thing with Mara, about 100% for the 6.618 retracement there. So that'll be good if you guys want to trade options. That'll be a good leap opportunity. Maybe next year, maybe 2025 leaps. I don't know if they are. I don't know what they are. I have to look them up actually. But that would be good. Coin monthly chart. I did all the monthly charts today. 0.618 is 240, so that is definitely something that I can see hitting 240, especially with everything going on in the markets. Once Bitcoin pumps, all these stocks will also pump, guys. And now, last but not least, is the Bitcoin monthly chart. So the monthly chart, guys, looking very good. I didn't do the fibs on here because I already have fibs on Bitcoin. You guys haven't been seeing anything I've been sharing. Bitcoin monthly chart is here. Fibs on the Bitcoin monthly chart. I'm probably gonna end up doing that now. I'll end up doing that now. All right, so let's start over. Minor Phoenix signs $380 million deal. Riot monthly chart. 6 foot 8 is $35. We're at 15. Check out them leaps. If you can do those, you'll make some good money. Mara, 6.618, 33. We're at 1643 at the time of me posting this chart. About 100%. Coin monthly, 140 to 240. Less than 100%. Still a good opportunity. 6.618 to 240. So be on the lookout for that. Alright, what I wanted to show you guys was the green dot here on the monthly chart for Bitcoin. So as you can see here, the green dot monthly chart. So we got a long. We got some pumpage coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months of straight pumps. Let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6 months of straight pumps. That's crazy. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 months. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 months. So here was the 8-month pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-month pump. We can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that was a year bull market. Some red ones in there, of course. This is the COVID. I already know what that is. That's the COVID dip. And then red. All right. So again, we have plenty of time to stack up that Bitcoin and chill. All right. So you guys already know my target is 45,000. Let's look at this tweet here. The average 401k balance was $107,000 down, 4% from the second quarter per Fidelity. And I said, I've been saying that 401ks are scams, guys. So, what I did is I cashed out my 401k and bought Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's going to be my retirement plan. And here we go. My retirement plan is Bitcoin. So I don't have a 401k. I don't want a 401k. If I did have a 401k, I would personally cash out and buy some Bitcoin. Or MicroStrategy, if you're able to do a self-directed IRA and all that good stuff, I would take advantage and take control over my investments and diversify all my assets or all my capital into Bitcoin mining stocks for the future. But, that's just me. All right. As for banks failing, normies would just look for a safer bank. They aren't at the stage where they realize no bank is safe and Bitcoin is the only option. And that's very true. Everybody's just going to leave their local regional bank and head over to the big four, JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, most likely Wells Fargo, and, one of the other big banks. All right. Ben X Bitcoin ETF will have the ticker HODL, so shout out to them. And Fidelity's spot Bitcoin ETF ticker has appeared. on the site. So you know what that means. And that means it's go time. Digital gold, Bitcoin will surely flip physical gold sooner or later, and probably this halving cycle within a year or two. Currently, I take 700,000 per Bitcoin, but maybe partially a substitute. Some people will start selling gold to buy Bitcoin, crossing the market caps below that. So, you guys ready for a $700,000 Bitcoin? Because I am. All right, and that's gonna be it for today's tweets. Let's scroll through the tweets real quick and see if there's any other updates here. Okay, so when you guys didn't see, Gary Cordone tweeted this: Bitcoin is the most resilient asset to ever exist. They can't stop the train. And then I tweeted, but you can't decide to buy because you're waiting on a dip. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, Gary. Why is this scammer always popping up on my timeline? Oh yeah, Swan. Let me go to Swan's page real quick. Swan just launched a new section of their business. Where's it at? Where's it at? I did retweet it as well. Here it is. Swan launches institutional division, deploys $205 million across equity, credit, and hedge funds. Swan's institutional business lines include both Bitcoin-backed lending, advisor services, asset management, private equity, and the USA's first Bitcoin-only trust company. In 2023, Swan raised and deployed $205 million of capital across its equity, credit, and hedge funds, and currently generates $125 million annualized revenue. The company expects to cross $200 million annualized revenue in Q1 and plans to raise an additional $150 to fund expansion. So check this out. I'm not going to read all this, but shout out to Swan and their institutional side of things. So again, Bitcoin only. Shout out to Swan. Let's get it. Head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Set up your DCA, and you can wire up to $10 million to Swan and purchase on a secure and safe and Bitcoin only platform. Alright, so let's see if there's any other tweets. $51,000 seems inevitable. My 4 targets have been hit. So this person has been, calling out targets as well. And he's saying 51,000 is his next target. Let's see what we're looking like on the chart for that. My fibs are not on. My fibs on. Should be on. I think I took them off. So let's draw these fibs again. It's on high. Lows. 50 is the 6.5, 61865, 51,000. Makes sense, guys. So around this area is what we're looking for. Still hasn't changed. It's been the same. All right. Let's see. All right, make sure you guys head over to BitcoinDadFiatDad.com. Pre-order my new book coming soon, or scan that QR code right there, and you guys can purchase the Bitcoin hoodies as well with the big B's embroidery hoodies right there. Let's see. You guys can pay in dirty fiat or Bitcoin by scanning this QR code. If you're going to pay in Bitcoin, send me your transaction and I'll add you to the waiting list. And shout out to everybody that's already pre-ordered. I appreciate you guys. Alright. I am on Instagram, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, it's at ChrisKnight407. I'm not going to DM you or ask you how your trading's going, so if you have any other Instagram accounts sending you messages about trading, it's not me. Block and send me a DM and let me know, and I'll share that out as well. And last but not least, I am on Facebook. Same thing, facebook.com/ChrisKnight407. Most active here on Twitter. So you guys make sure you guys hit that like, share, subscribe on YouTube for me, and you guys have a blessed week this week. All my services and anything that I can help you guys out with, you can check all that out here on the link tree. Available on all my social media platforms. And with that being said, it is Friday. Where has the week gone? Where has the week gone? It's gone by super fast. Let me fix that here. The week has gone by super fast, so I hope you guys have a great weekend. All right, cool. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. Make sure you stack your Bitcoin and chill. Bitcoin is the money of the future. Make sure you head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Make sure you go to BTC DCA to see how much you can start saving each week and how much you would have. We go over that in other videos, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy Friday. Bitcoin Chris checking out.